Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sohot RN token. I'm assuming RN stands for right now. This token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. I was just checking out their Etherscan. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap, on DEX Tools, listed all over the place. So far they have 230 holders, very brand new project here. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon. It doesn't have the exact date yet, but it was just announced on Twitter. It says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the Sohot token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So this token here, if you follow at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, they're going to announce soon when the listing date is, and when it gets listed, you could if you don't have an account, download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Sohot, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's a lot of things on this project here. You can see on the Twitter right there, it says Sohot, based on Elon Musk's hottest tweet. It has staking, NFTs, NFT marketplace, and more. And it's a brand new project that just joined Twitter here in January 2024. 650 followers so far. They have a Telegram at SohotRN, and then their webpage is on there as well, sohotrn.io. So you're going to find all the info on their webpage there. Their Telegram is just starting out as well, 152 subscribers. You can go check that out there. On their webpage, they have a contact email, socials, link for their audit. Doesn't look like their audit. Oh yeah, maybe their audit's on here. They have a buy now button that will take you to Uniswap. And then they have a chart. You can check out the DEX Tools chart. So if you wanted to get this token prior to the MEXC, or sorry, not MEXC, where is it getting listed here? Prior to the Bitmart listing. If you want to get this token prior to the Bitmart listing, you can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Sohot token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage or their DEX Tools chart. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Now, I'm not sure if there's taxes and you'll have to set slippage. Maybe that will tell us right here. Okay, so it says buy tax 0%, and then it says sell tax is 0 to 1%. So maybe for selling, you might have to set your slippage around 1% for some reason. But yeah, basically minimal taxes, so you probably won't have to worry too much about slippage. And it says contract renounced, no honeypots. We can go over the quick audit here. So on DEX Tools, they have quick audits from Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy Security, and honeypot.is. So yeah, 0% taxes on buys, around 0 to 1% on sells, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, no blacklisting, basically no bad warnings on any of their quick audits. So that's good to see there. And on DEX tools as well, there's all sorts of links. Tons and tons of links. So there's CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, all their socials, webpage, Etherscan, contact, email, bubble maps, etc. There's tons of links on there that you can find on their DEX tools chart. Now, it doesn't say their liquidity is locked on Uniswap though, so just be aware that the lock button there is not activated on their DEX tools chart. Their market cap is $667,790. Liquidity in Uniswap is $89,690. 230 holders so far, and a 24-hour trading volume right now is only $9,170. And 19.41 pooled ETH in the Uniswap pool. So yeah, you can check them out on CoinGecko as well. They got a bunch of links on there. CoinMarketCap. Token's actually down 15% today. Hasn't even got that Bitmart listing yet though, so we'll see what happens there. So on their webpage, it says inspired by Elon Musk's Sohot RN tweet. So obviously, you know, tons of tokens are inspired by Elon Musk's tweet. So here's another one. So Elon Musk tweeted that out. Now we got this token. It says we created a meme token and NFT marketplace for new crypto content on the blockchain. Now they're going to have a marketplace for models. So there's going to be models, you know, just regular models or whatever. Don't get too excited here, just regular models. And a unique space to monetize exclusive content through NFTs, from photo shoots to social media posts. Own rare NFTs with perks, empowering established and upcoming models. The platform offers tools for successful NFT launches. Join the secure, engaging model NFT space. So basically, you know, people can take pictures or whatever and then turn them into NFTs and put them on the marketplace. So it says, yeah, liquidity burnt, it says. Ownership fully renounced. I mean, always take this with a grain of salt and do your own research. Circulating supply, it says 79.9% of the tokens. Then it has, at the bottom of their page, contact email if you need to contact them, their socials, and contract address. Check it all out, sohotrn.io. Stay tuned and follow Bitmart's Twitter to see when the Bitmart listing will be. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.